there, word explorers! Are you ready to learn some words that mean the same thing?
You mean synonyms, right? Like how happy and joyful are best friends in the dictionary.
Exactly! Today, we're going to dance through words that sound different but feel the same.
Oh, I love that. Let's sparkle up our vocabulary.
Grab your thinking hats and your giggles because this synonym party is about to begin.
Happy,
happy,
joyful,
joyful,
And also, more synonyms of happy can be cheerful, delighted, and ecstatic.
nice,
nice,
kind,
kind,
And also, more synonyms of nice can be pleasant, gracious, charming.
smart,
smart,
intelligent,
intelligent,
And also, more synonyms of smart can be clever, bright, and sharp.
funny,
funny,
humorous,
humorous,
And also, more synonyms of funny can be amusing, witty, and silly.
brave,
brave,
courageous,
courageous,
And also, more synonyms of brave can be fearless, daring, and heroic.
angry,
angry,
mad,
mad,
And also, more synonyms of angry can be furious, annoyed, and irritated.
scared,
scared,
afraid,
afraid,
And also, more synonyms of scared can be frightened, terrified, and anxious.
sad,
sad,
miserable,
miserable,
And also, more synonyms of sad can be unhappy, down and depressed.
mean,
mean,
cruel,
cruel,
And also, more synonyms of mean can be rude, harsh, and nasty.
tired,
tired,
exhausted,
exhausted,
And also, more synonyms of tired can be sleepy, worn out, and fatigued.
say,
say,
Say means to speak words out loud, like when you tell someone something. More synonyms can be announce, declare, and mention.
ask,
ask,
Ask means to request information, like when you inquire or question someone. More synonyms can be wonder and query.
help,
help,
Help means to give support, like when you assist someone who needs it. More synonyms can be aid, guide, and rescue.
Show.
Show.
Show means to let someone see something. Like when you present, we display it. More synonyms can be reveal, demonstrate, and exhibit.
Get.
Get.
Get means to receive something, like when you collect or take it from someone. More synonyms can be obtain, acquire, and fetch.
Big.
Big.
Big means something is very large in size, like an elephant, which is huge and enormous. Other synonyms can be massive and gigantic.
Small.
Small.
Small means something is tiny or little, like a mouse, which is tiny and miniature. More synonyms can be petite, mini, compact.
Fast.
Fast.
Fast means moving quickly, like a runner who is speedy and swift. More synonyms can be rapid and prompt.
Slow.
Slow.
Slow means moving gently or not quickly, like a turtle, which is sluggish and unhurried. More synonyms can be leisurely and delayed.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful means something looks lovely or nice, like a flower that is pretty, gorgeous, or attractive.
Ugly.
Ugly.
Ugly means something looks unpleasant, like a monster that is hideous, unsightly, repulsive, ghastly, or unattractive.
Clean.
Clean.
Clean means to remove dirt from something, like when you wash, scrub, or tidy it up. More synonyms can be wipe, polish, and sanitize.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty means covered or marked with an unclean substance, like when something is soiled, filthy, or messy. More synonyms can be grimy, stained, and mucky.
Organize.
Organize.
Organize means to arrange or put in order, like when you sort, categorize, or systematize things. More synonyms can be tidy and structure.
Fix.
Fix.
Fix means to make something better or whole again, like when you repair, mend, or restore it. More synonyms can be patch and adjust.
Break.
Break.
Break means to make something not work anymore, like when you damage, shatter, or destroy it. More synonyms can be smash, crack, and ruin.
Friend.
Friend.
Friend means someone you like and trust, like a buddy, pal, or companion. More synonyms can be mate and ally.
Love.
Love.
Love means to care deeply for someone, like when you adore, cherish, or treasure them. More synonyms can be like and affection.
Hate.
Hate.
Hate means to strongly dislike someone or something, like when you despise, detest, or loathe it.
share,
share,
Share means to give part of something to someone, like when you offer, give, or divide what you have. More synonyms can be distribute and contribute.
fight,
fight,
Fight means to argue or clash, like when people quarrel, battle, or disagree strongly.
Respect.
respect,
Respect means to treat someone with kindness, honor, and consideration, recognizing their feelings, rights, and value. More synonyms can be admire, appreciate, and esteem.
Wow, we learned so many cool word twins today, like fast and quick, smart and clever.
And now you can use new words to make your stories and sentences shine even brighter.
Don't forget to practice and share your favorite synonyms with someone you love.
And if you had fun today, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more word magic.
See you next time, word wizards. Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep shining.
Shush thing.